Hi there, my name is Lev. I'm with Garage Floor Masters. Thank you for getting quote with us. In this quick video, I want to take you through our step-by-step process of garage floor coating installation. First thing we do when we arrive to the job site is a prep work. We want to make sure your surface is ready for application of our coating. We use commercial diamond grinders, angle grinders, which are all connected to vacuums. I know it does not mean a lot to you, but it means a lot to us. The process goes fast and clean. So if you have any shelves or any items hanging on the wall, you don't have to worry about cleaning afterwards. So when we diamond grind the surface, we open up the pores of the surface. This way our product can have a better bond with it and last longer. After that, we're gonna have a thorough cleaning. We're gonna go through with our vacuums to clean out all the rest of the dust that left behind, and we want to make sure it's clean as possible for the next step. The next step would be application of the base coat. It's called polyaspartic polyurea. It's some sort of a glue per se. So the flakes that you chose can stick to that and create another layer, protective layer. So we put almost 3 times the amount of flakes than needed for the surface. We want to make sure every single square inch is covered with the flakes. We're gonna give a rest time for that, usually an hour or so. We're gonna go out for lunch, and after that we'll come back and scrape the surface. So we're kind of removing the excess flakes from it. We're gonna collect it all. Again, we're gonna do another vacuuming to clean up the surface so it's ready for the application of the top coat. And the next step would be your clear top coat. When we apply the top coat, we flood it with the polyaspartic product. First, we squeeze it around to cover every area of the floor, and next step would be a back rolling. We do it both directions. This way all the product will be spread out evenly and gonna have this nice finished coat. And that's it, your floor is ready. You can utilize it 4 to 6 hours, and we can walk on it. 6 to 12 hours where you can move in light objects, and 24 hours you can pull it with your vehicles. So a rule of thumb, what we usually say is after we finish with the installation, next day around the same time you can utilize it 100%. So that's what we have. Beautiful floor that will last you forever. And if you have more questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And hope we'll see you soon.